We got two woodpeckers here today. We got one there and one there. And a few snowbirds. That's bird pies I buy from local stores here. You just hang them up, and they come like a round thing, and they hang them up and then they eat them all. I need to put a new one up there today. That one's getting low. Plus I have my two feeders, and I got the deer apples. Well, they're all gone now, but I got more to put out. Some cracked corn. The birds are eating some of that too. So, this is the 1st of February. And this is a Charlotte cat. Right, Charlotte? And this is a Connor cat. Aren't you, bud? You a good boy? Are you a good boy? Connor, you good boy? I'll tell you what show is on now is the Poseidon Adventure, the original one. I saw both of them. Okay, what I got out here, that's the cracked corn. There's still some left, and but look at the deer tracks, and they're coming from in back the woods there. It's quite beat down quite a bit, but they're here at night. Like, they don't come here through the day. Like, I want to get some nice pictures and videos of the day, but unless my track's going to feed them. We're supposed to get another snowstorm tonight. We'll see what awaits us. And I think my azalea tree has pretty much had it. I think I might cut that down. If it doesn't bud this year, I'm going to get rid of it because it's in the way when I'm cutting grass anyway. There's no leaves left on it. They get them all eaten. My trees are bent over.